Today let's animate some images using the Canva Image to Video app. So we'll look at how to animate images using the Smart option in the app I'm going to show you. We'll also look at how you can animate images using a custom prompt, and we'll also look at how you can animate graphics inside of Canva too. So from the Canva home screen, we'll go to Create, and I'll just create a YouTube thumbnail size canvas. And now we want to get some photos. So I'll go to Elements, and under Recently Used here, I've just got a few photos that I can use. I'm going to use this train one to begin with. Now, the problem with this Canva Image to Video app is that when you go to Magic Studio and you can see that it's here, it only likes you to use free images and not Canva Pro images. So I'm using free images today, and to find them, just go to Elements, and under Photos, type in what you want, so model train, and then go along on this top bar here to price, and then click free, and it'll only bring you up free images that you can use, and this is one of them. So to use this new app, once the image is selected, go to Edit and go along on Magic Studio to Image to Video, and then you've got two choices. You can have the Smart option here, or the Custom option where you give a little bit of detail about what you're looking for. At the moment it can only generate 3-second videos, but this is part of Canva itself and you don't have to use an external app. So I'm just going to use the Smart option and generate a 3-second video. Once it's created the video, you can add video to design and it will replace this image here. And then you can play the image in Canva itself and it'll be 3 seconds long. So if we want to add a custom prompt, let's go back to Photos and Recently Used. I'm going to use this Christmas scene here. Another thing about this is that it won't do images with faces in, so you can't do people looking directly at you. I did manage to do one with people walking away from the camera when you couldn't see their faces, but this is generally for things that don't include people in them. If you want to animate images with people in, then you're probably going to have to go and use the Image Animate app, which you may have to buy credits for, but you can find that app in Canva and get the credits from vimmerse.net. So with this image here, I'm going to click on it, go to Edit, go along to Image to Video, go to Custom, and then I'll just say pan slowly across the room, and then generate the video. And now we'll add that to the design. And here is that video that it's created panning across the room in the Christmas room here. Finally, I want to show you what happens when you animate a graphic from Canva. So we'll go to Graphics, and under Recently Used, I've got this boy waving here, so I'll click on him. Now if you're just using the graphic itself, when you go to Edit, then you'll find Magic Studio isn't usable. So you have to save this as an image first. The quickest way to do that is just to enlarge it, duplicate layer one on top of the other, and then select them both, right click and download selection, and make sure this is set to PNG, and we'll give it a transparent background and increase the size. And then we'll download. Now upload that new image, and you can delete the old ones, and then click on Edit and go along to Image to Video, and I'm just going to do a Smart option here to see what it does to this image. And there you go, that's what it's done. It's changed the background. If I go to Generate again and then go back, we can go to Custom, and I'll just say make the boy move but leave him on a clean background, and then I'll generate again, and this is what it's done this time. So the background seems to be staying largely the same. We can now add this to the design, and that's how to animate a graphic in Canva as well. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you today. Please do subscribe to the channel. to learn more about Canva.